Welcome back here on my channel. Thanks for joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today we are going to take a look at some Majorette cars. And I would say we don't waste any time. We get right into it and we start with something special. Or let's say something that I consider special because I haven't seen something like that before. So this is a basic car from Majorette. It's like a Hot Wheels mainline car. These are called street cars. And as you can see, this is a Zamac version. Now, if you are into that diecast stuff, you know that some brands have chase cars and sometimes, you know, these are Zamacs. Now, I just don't know if this is kind of rare, so I just couldn't find it out. Maybe you know something about this car, then just write it in the comments down below and tell me if this is something rare or maybe not. So I would say, yeah, let's crack this one open. And let's take a look at it. Let's bring the camera down a little. So this, by the way, is a Suzuki Swift. Let's take a look at the base. Suzuki Swift Sport. As you can see, it's 1/56th scale. And as I mentioned, it's a basic car. So this one has no opening parts. Plastic base, plastic tires, but all of these, or most of the Majorette cars, have suspension, and this Suzuki also has some suspension. Yeah, I think this one looks kind of cool. You can see here on the back, we got a little lettering that's saying Sport. The taillights are not very detailed, but we got lensed headlights. Guess they are a part of this inner plastic piece. And I think for a €1 model, sometimes, you know, the pricing of these cars is a little bit weird. Sometimes you pay €1 for these street cars. Sometimes you have to pay 2 or 2.50. You know, always something different. But I think for this price, it's a really cool diecast car, and yeah, I'm excited. If anyone knows something about this Zamac version, as I mentioned, I couldn't find it out. So let's put this into parking position, and I found another one. It's this one here. So the first one was from 2021. Now this is saying 2020 Zamac edition. This is a Toyota Hilux Revo. Let's crack it open. So here we got some details on the front grille. Once again, lensed headlights, some deco on the side, and yeah, some deco on the back. And this one also comes with a tow hitch. So it's also looking really cool. Let's take a look at the base. So this is also, no, it's 1/58th scale, if I'm reading it right. So also, I also got a black hood. So also a very nice, a basic version. Now, I would say let's go on with this guy here. I think this is also not brand new. Porsche 911 GT3 RS in red. So I would say basically there are 3 levels, quality levels of cars from Majorette. So these are cars from the basic range, and this I would consider kind of a, let's call it mid-range model. Let's open it up. Sometimes they do come with this card. You can see the specs of the real car on the card. So here it is. So these are a little bit more expensive for sure than the Mainlines, and these do come with opening parts. So this one has opening doors and is looking very good. We got some black rims, lensed headlights, the Porsche logo on the hood. Comes with a plastic wing and some details on the back. So normally these cost around 4-5 euros, depends on. I think I paid 4 euros for this one. Yeah, I do really like Majorette. I often mentioned that, but sometimes they got kind of weird liveries on the cars, and sometimes, yeah, you know, the rims do not look very good. So now, this one comes with a metal body, plastic base, plastic tires, but more details than these basic cars. And as I said, this one has opening doors and for sure also has a suspension. Now, let's finish this up with these two Porsche Taycan Turbo S. So these are more like premium cars from Majorette. Let's take a look at the back. These this is a series of 6 cars, and you know, now I get nearly all of them. I will show you the 911s that I got. So I think these do look very cool. I love the colors. You can see one comes with a surfboard on top, the other one with skis. This is a convertible. And these guys also have not only opening doors, these have opening hoods, as you can see, and they have rubber tires. So these are the 911s. But let's go on with this one here, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. So as you can see, these premium cars, if you can call them premium, they often come with this cardboard box. I would consider it kind of useless. You know, if you know about mini GT cars, they come with a plastic inlay and you can store the cars with the plastic piece in the cardboard box, and you know, your die-cast car is well protected. But in this case, the plastic piece doesn't fit into the cardboard box, so you can only store the car without anything in here, and yeah, I don't know. Doesn't really make sense to me. Anyways, let's take a look at the car. So here we have the Porsche Taycan Turbo S electric sports car. Yeah, as you already saw, this one comes with an opening hood and dark tinted windows. So we got also some dark tinted headlights. Yeah, if you take a look at the gaps here on the door, yeah, I would say it's not really perfect. I've seen doing Majorette much better. So this is a premium car, metal body, plastic base, and rubber tires, and also suspension. Yeah, I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed. I think these gaps, maybe you know, you realize these gaps so well because of the white color and these dark gaps, so maybe in another color you don't realize them as good as here. Anyways, let's put this guy into parking position, and we have one Porsche Taycan Turbo S left. Now this guy looks like or is decorated up as a pace car. Comes with a light bar on top. And by the way, while I'm opening this packaging, as I mentioned, the pricing is sometimes a little bit weird. So in my area, sometimes you pay like €4 for these mid-range cars, and then you pay €5 for something like a premium car. I'm not really sure if you could call it premium. You know, there are some brands that have metal bases, like Hot Wheels premium cars, or maybe mini GTs. Yeah. So once again, for sure, opening hood. This one comes with gray 6 spokes. Doesn't look bad. And yeah, the good thing is you don't realize the door gap too much on this black one. Some details on the back. Camera doesn't focus. Now, a light bar on top. Yeah, you know, I would buy some more of these Majorette cars if they had sometimes cooler rims and yeah, cooler deco on them. But from time to time, I will still buy these. I think it's a cool brand, and normally these models have kind of a really good quality, and you get a lot of die cast for your money. So here are the 5 cars from today, and that's it from today's video. I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.